System errors causing the Bugsplat64.dll crashes in your apps. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we begin the manual steps for Bugsplat64, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This DLL file is the 64-bit version of the Bugsplat crash reporting library. It manages the collection of minidump files and system diagnostic data for 64-bit applications, facilitating remote troubleshooting for software vendors. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. A damaged or incomplete Bugsplat installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Bugsplat to restore required files such as the Bugsplat64.dll to the application directory. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Bugsplat64 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of the Bugsplat64.dll lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references the Bugsplat64 management. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the Bugsplat64 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.